So we were doing lesson number 4, add and subtract. Yes. So last lecture, what did you learn? About counting backward, subtraction by counting backward. Now we will do some workbook sums. If you have the workbook, then you can open it and start doing it with me. Lesson number 4. It's in workbook page number 20. Everyone, you can, if you have your workbook, you can open it and open page number 20. If you don't have, then write it in your notebook. But everyone will do it with me. Okay, write only the answers. In the workbook, it's given, the question is given in the workbook page number 20, part 1. Okay, so lesson number 4, add and subtract. What is the first question? Multiple choice questions. Okay, so I'll read the question for you. Choose the addition fact for the screen is not visible. Let me see. Wait a second. I'll share it again. Now it is visible. Now the screen is visible, everyone. Yes, okay. So choose the addition fact for the picture below. Choose the addition fact for the picture below. What is the meaning of this? How many biscuits are given in the first picture? How many biscuits? 4 biscuits. And here, how many biscuits are given? 2 biscuits. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 4 plus 2, children. How much? Take 2 in your hand. Count after 4, 5, 6. So total how many biscuits are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 biscuits. So from here the option A, option B, option C, option D, which option is correct? Where it is given that 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, in which option you can see? Yes, in the B option we can see 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So in the bracket in workbook it is given. Bracket is given. So write in it B. Okay. B option is the correct one. Then let's move on to the next question. What is the addition at 16 and 23? What is the addition at 16 and 23? Means what? You have to add, you have to, who is mute? Mute, mute yourself. Wait, let me, who is mute?
अरे यार मला जाऊ दे अंड कोंबडी अंडा घातली नाही तुझ्या अभ्यास करत बसते.
Everybody will mute yourself and keep. Okay. Then 16 and 23. So you have to add. You have to add both the numbers. So I will write down the number here. We will start adding the numbers. So 16 plus 23. How much? Let us see. Plus 23. So from where you will start the addition? Always from units place. So here we will write tens and units. So 6 plus 3. Take 3 in your hand. Count after 6, 7, 8, 9. Everybody will count with me. Take out your hand. Yes, both the hands you will use. Take 3 in your hand. Now for now use only your one hand. Take 3. Count after 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So 16 plus 23 is equals to 39. In which option you can see the number 39? Yes, in the B option. So answer is B. So you can write it in your workbook. Those who don't have the workbook, write it in your notebook. B. Then next. My screen has been shared. If you can't see, then check your network. Everyone can see my screen, right? Type yes in the chat box if you can see. Okay. Then find 28 minus 0. Find 28 minus 0. So we have already learned that any number added and subtracted with 0, the number itself will be the answer. Yes. So 28 minus 0. What will be the correct answer here? Option A 28, option B 8, option C 0, option D 2. What is the correct answer? 28. So in which option 28 is given? A option. So write it in the bracket. A. You will write it in your workbook. A option. Otherwise write it in your notebook. But you have to write. Don't sit idle. Okay. Done. Let's move on to the next question. Fill in the blanks. It's in workbook page number 21. Okay. So 57 plus 11 is equals to dash. What is the number? 57 plus 11. So you have to find out this answer. First, what we will do? Tens and units you will write. You will always start adding from which place? Units place. So first we will add 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. Write 8. Then 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Do it everyone. Do it with me. Do it in your notebook. Okay, write this number. 57 plus 11 is equals to 68. Some students sit like this only and watch the lecture. They don't do anything. So take out your notebook, keep your workbook, pencil, everything ready in the lecture. Write today's date. Write these numbers. 57 plus 11 is equals to 68. 68, 86, nahi, 68. Yes. Then you have to write down in words. Here the numbers are given in words, right? Number names are given. So answer also you will write in the words only. Okay, so how to write 68 in words? What is the spelling of 60? S I X T Y. 60. Then what is the spelling of 8? E I Everyone will write it with me, whether you write it in your workbook or in the notebook, but writing you should do. 68. E I G H T Y. 60. Sorry, EIGHT 8. Y will not come. SIXTY 60. EIGHT 8. 68. Those who are not writing their parents, I will ask that you are writing or not. Some students don't write. Okay. So this is clear. 57 plus 11 is equals to 68. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 1, 6. This question is clear. Any doubt? SISTY, not beta. It is SIXTY. Someone has written SISTY in the chat box. It is SIX. Okay. Then 4 tenths, 9 units plus 1 tenths, 0 units. We have already learned, right? If it is tenths, you can also write T. T means tenths. U means units. So 4 tenths and 9 units. How to write this number? 4 tenths 9 units means the number will be 49. 4 in the tens place, 9 in units place. This you have already studied, right? 4 tenths means 4 in tens place. 9 units means 9 in units place. So the number will be 49, where 4 is in tens place and 9 is in units place. What will be the next number? 1 is in tens place because 1 tenths. And how many units? 0 units. So you should write it down with me in the notebook, huh? Answer you will write it in the workbook. Okay. Then tens and units. Now what we will do? We will add. Why we are going to add? Here which sign is given? Plus sign. Yes. So 9 plus 0. Tell me 9 plus 0 is equals to 0. And 4 plus 1? 5. Answer is 50. Oh, sorry. 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. My mistake. 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. Always remember that whenever we add any number with 0, that number only will be the answer. So 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. Answer is 59. Let us do it again. See here. 49 plus 10. 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. Always remember, whenever we add or subtract any number with 0, that number only will be the answer. Suppose 8 plus 0 will be 8. This is example I am giving. 7 plus 0 will be 7. 6 plus 0 will be 6. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 4 minus 0 will be 4. These are the examples. So, did you observe that any number added or subtracted with 0, that number only will be the answer? Clear, everyone? Clear the concept of 0? Any doubt? Now tell me 3 minus 0 is? Write it in the chat box. Tell me 3 minus 0. Yes, 3. 4 minus 0. 4. 6 minus 0. Yes. Then 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0. 10. Very good. 11 plus 0. Yes, 11. Understood? Any number added or subtracted with 0, that number only will be the answer. Don't be confused. So here 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. So answer is 59. But here you will not write 59 like this. No, what it is, observe the pattern. See the pattern over here. 4 tenths 9 units plus 1 tenth 0 units. So how you will write? 5 tenths 9 units. Okay. You have to observe the question and then write the answer. What is written? 59 is the answer, right? So how you will write 59? 5 tenths 9 units. Understood? 4 tenths plus 9 units. 4 tenths 9 units plus 1 tenth 0 units is equals to 5 tenths 9 units. That is 59. Any doubt in this question? Any doubt? Okay. So let us move on to the next question. Thirteen minus 5. 13 minus 5. How to write 13? 1, 3, 13. Minus 5. Here you will write in the units place. Some students, what they do, they write like this. 13 minus 5. This is wrong. Why? Because single digit number will always come in units place. I have already told you. Yes, I have already told na that single digit number means units. So don't write like this. Write this one. This is the right thing to write. 13 minus 5 will come in the units place. Why? Because 5 is single digit number. Single digit number means units. Remember this. Okay. So 3 minus 5. 13 minus 5. Take out 5 in your hand. Take 5 in your hand. I have taught you backward counting, right? Backward counting. Before 13, what comes? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Count again. Take out 5 in your hand. No one is taking out. I can feel it from here. Take out 5 in your hand. Count up before 13. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So the answer is 8. Here, how 13 is written in words. How 5 is written in words. So the answer will also be written in words. Okay. So like this spelling you will write of 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. So 13 minus 5 is equals to 8. Now let me give you one extra question over here. It is not in the workbook. Let us practice one more question. Like this only. Let me see where you will write the numbers, in which place. Whether you are writing the numbers in the correct place or not. This is not given in the workbook. This is extra. Now tell me 15. 15. What is the spelling of 15? F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Minus 4. 15 minus 4. How you will do this? First tell me how you will write the numbers. Tens and units. First always write tens and units. Wait a second. Huh? Yes, 15. 1 in tens place. 5 in units place. Minus sign you will write. Then what you will do? Where you will write 4? 4 you will write in tens place or units place? 4 you will write in which place? Tens place or units place? Yes, units place. Always remember, huh? Pavni, tens place. No, you have written wrong. Yes, Rutvik, Mansi, very good. So 4 you will write in units place only. Why? I have already explained. Because 4 is single digit number. Many students in exam also they do the same thing. They do it wrong. So that's why I am telling, pay attention over here. See, if you will write 4 in tens place, this is wrong. 4 will come in units place only because 4 is single digit number. Single digit number means units. Okay. So that's why I gave the extra over here so that I may know. So now solve this. 15 minus 4. Take out 4 in your hand. Count before 15. Minus sign is given. So that means you have to subtract. Subtract means backward counting you have to do. Take out 4 in your hand. Count before 15. 14, 13, 12, 11. Again 14, 13, 12, 11. Answer is 11. In the question 15 is written in words. 4 is also written in words. So the answer will also be written in words only. Ah, 11. What is the spelling of 11? E L E V E N. 11. Again, one more question we will do like this. Let me see, where are you writing the numbers? (16). What is the spelling of 16? Everyone will learn the spellings, okay? SIXTEEN, 16. Remember, we had done the words, number names till 100. You have to learn all the number names till 100. We have already done this when we were doing chapter 2nd. Remember? So learn the number names. 16 minus 3. So now tell me how you will write the numbers. First you will write tens and units. In exam also, if this type of question comes, so you will have to keep a rough paper with you. Maths, it's maths, right? You will need a rough paper so that you can solve. See how I am solving the numbers here? I am solving it now. In the side I am solving it. So you can also keep a rough paper to solve the numbers. Okay, directly you cannot write, na? So now tell me 16, where you will write 16 in 1 in tens place, 6 in the units place. Then what you will do? 3, where you will write 3, where you will write 3 in units place or tens place. Yes, very good, Mansi. Units place, Akhil, very good, okay. Understood, in units place you will write. Where are the other students? Why 3 you are writing in units place? Why? I will ask you why also. There is some reason, na? Because 3 is single digit number. Single digit number means units only. Understood? So 16 minus 3. Take 3 in your hand. Use your fingers. Count before 16. Before 16, what comes? 15, 14, 13. What is the answer? 1, 3, 13. Tell me the spelling of 13. T, H, I, R, T, double E, N, 13. Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Yes, Pavni, what doubt? Saraswati, Mohammed. 16 minus 3. We have done 16 minus 3. Backward counting. Why backward counting? Because this is subtraction. So 3 we have taken in our hand. Okay. Then we are counting backward. Before 16, what number comes? Before 16, Viraj, take 3 in your hand, everyone. Huh. So before 16, which number comes? 15. Yes, very good. Then before 15, 14. Then 13. What is the answer? 13. Okay. Okay, Videsh. Understood now, Pavni? Huh. So this is backward counting. We will do one more sum in this. I have taught you now backward counting, that's the reason, because subtraction, it is subtraction. Let us do another sum like this type. Say 11 minus 6. And so 11 minus 6. So what are the number? 11 minus 6 here you will write, right? Then take out 6 in your hand, everyone. Take out 6. Zoom finish. No, more time is there. Samarth. Zoom finish writing. Okay. So take out 11 in your hand. Sorry, take out 6 in your hand. Always take out smaller number. Take out smaller number in your hand. Count before 11. Before 11 you will count. Before 11 which number comes? No, Darshan, you have written wrong. 17 is not the answer. Before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes, so the answer is 5. What is the answer? 5. Count again. Take out 6. Count before 11. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes. So the answer is 5. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E. 5. Okay, practice backward counting at your home. Because whenever it is subtraction, you have to count backwards. And for addition, you have to count forward. Understood? Then next, match the following. See here, in the first question, how many goods are given here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 are given and this is which sign? Subtraction sign. Here how many words are given? 1, 2, 3. Now 7 minus 3 you have to do. Take out 3 in your hand. Everyone take out 3 in your hand. Count before 7. Subtraction it is, right? So we have to count before 7. Remember. So before 7, which number comes? 6. Then before 6, 5. Then 4. Again count 6, 5, 4. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 4. Okay. Wait a minute. So here it will be 4. I'll write 4 over here. It is not given, na? So I am writing it. 4. So you can match. Let us match this. Okay. Then 5 plus 14. 5 plus 14. Count. Take 5 in your hand. Count after 14. Count after 14. Why? Because this is plus sign. Okay, 14. After 14, which number comes? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19. So we are going to match. Where you can see 19 over here, A1. Yes. Then, how many elephants are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many elephant? 4 elephant. Plus how many elephant? 2. So 4 plus 2. So here in the option 4 plus 2 you can see 4 plus 2 where it is given. Yes, in E1. So you will match. Now tell me 22 minus 22. 22 minus 22 is 0. So match with 0. 22 minus 22. So likewise 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. One number, both the numbers if they are same. Listen carefully, both the numbers if they are same. So if we are going to subtract both same numbers, so answer will be 0. Okay, now tell me 10 minus 10 is 0. 11 minus 11, 0. 18 minus 18, 0. Because if we are subtracting two same numbers, so answer will be 0. Okay. Then 18 minus 0. This is different. 18 minus 0. Any number subtracted with 0, that number only be the answer. So 18 minus 0 is, tell me, 18 minus 0. Yes, very good. 18. Answer is 18. Avnika, 18 minus 0 is 18. Huh. So we will match with 18. Can you see 18 here? In which option? D option. Okay. Understood this much? Any doubt? So today we will end the lecture. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Bye everyone. Thank you.